If you've ever wondered how people actually create an account on Betfair and get started on the platform, the process is more structured than it might seem at first glance. It's designed to ensure security, identity verification, and compliance with local laws. So every step you take is about confirming who you are and making sure the platform is safe for all users. To begin, the first thing you would typically do is open the official Betfair website or download the Betfair mobile app from a trusted source like the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the homepage loads, you'll usually see a clear option that says something like Join, Sign Up, or Register. This is the entry point for creating a new account. When you click on it, you are taken to a registration form that asks for basic personal information. At this stage, you are expected to provide details such as your full name, email address, date of birth, and sometimes your home address or country of residence. This information is extremely important because it determines whether you are legally allowed to use the platform in your region. The date of birth section is especially strict because if you are under the legal gambling age in your country, the system will automatically block account creation. This is one of the key safeguards Betfair uses to promote responsible gambling. After filling in your basic details, the next step usually involves creating your login credentials. You'll be asked to choose a username and a strong password. The password is very important because it protects your account from unauthorized access. A strong password typically includes a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Some users also choose to link their account to a phone number for extra security. Once you submit your registration form, Betfair will usually send a verification link to the email address you provided. You must open your email inbox, find the message from Betfair, and click the verification link inside it. This step confirms that the email belongs to you and activates your account. Without completing this step, your account remains inactive and you won't be able to proceed further. After email verification, the platform may prompt you to complete a Know Your Customer process, often referred to as KYC. This is a standard requirement for most regulated financial and betting platforms. The purpose of KYC is to confirm your identity and prevent fraud, money laundering, and other illegal activities. During this step, you may be asked to upload a government-issued ID, such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. In some cases, you might also be required to submit proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. This verification process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on the volume of users and the clarity of your documents. It's important that all information you provide matches exactly, because any mismatch can delay or even reject your verification. Once your identity is successfully verified, your account becomes fully active. At this point, you can log in and access the main dashboard. The dashboard is where users typically manage their profiles, view available markets, and adjust account settings. Before doing anything else, many users choose to set up additional security features like two-factor authentication. This adds another layer of protection by requiring a verification code sent to your phone or email whenever you log in from a new device. After securing your account, some users may choose to deposit funds into their Betfair wallet. This is done through the deposit section, where various payment methods are usually available depending on your country. These can include debit cards, bank transfers, and sometimes e-wallets. You simply select your preferred method, enter the amount you want to deposit, and follow the instructions provided. The funds usually appear in your account shortly after the transaction is completed. It's important to understand that at this stage, everything is still about account setup and preparation. No betting activity is required or encouraged. Many users simply explore the platform first to understand how it works before making any decisions. Another important part of setting up your account is understanding responsible gambling tools. Platforms like Betfair provide features that allow users to set deposit limits, loss limits, and even time reminders. These tools are designed to help users stay in control and avoid overspending or excessive usage. You can usually find these settings in the account or responsible gambling section of your profile. In some cases, depending on your region, you may also be asked to complete additional verification steps later, especially if you attempt to withdraw funds. This is to ensure that the person withdrawing money is the same person who created the account. It's part of the platform's strict compliance with international regulations. Once everything is set up, your account is considered fully operational. You can log in anytime using your username and password and access the platform from either a computer or mobile device. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, with clear sections for different types of markets and account management tools. However, it's always worth repeating that Betfair is not meant for casual experimentation or underage use. It operates under strict legal frameworks, and users are expected to follow all rules, age restrictions, and local laws. If you are not of legal age in your country, the correct and responsible action is to avoid attempting registration entirely. For adults who are eligible and legally allowed to use the platform, the registration process is intentionally designed to be straightforward but secure. Every step, from entering your personal details to verifying your identity, exists to protect both the user and the platform from misuse. In summary, creating a Betfair account is a step-by-step process that starts with signing up using your basic details, verifying your email, completing identity checks, securing your account with strong passwords and optional two-factor authentication, and finally setting up your preferences and payment methods if needed. While it may seem like a lot of steps, each one plays a role in making sure the platform remains safe, regulated, and trustworthy for everyone who uses it within legal boundaries. If you are looking at this from a learning perspective, now you understand not just how the process works, but also why it exists in such a structured way. Security, compliance, and responsible use are the foundation of platforms like Betfair, and every new account goes through these stages to maintain that standard across millions of users worldwide. Once your account is fully active, one of the first things many new users notice is how customizable the platform is. You can adjust your profile settings, notification preferences, and even the way markets are displayed so that it feels more comfortable and easier to navigate. This is especially helpful if you are new to betting platforms in general, because the interface can look overwhelming at first. Taking a few minutes to explore the settings section helps you understand where everything is and makes the experience smoother over time. Another important thing to keep in mind is how withdrawals work after your account is set up. On Betfair, withdrawing funds is usually done through the same method you use to deposit, depending on availability in your region. Before any withdrawal is approved, the platform may require additional security checks to confirm your identity and ensure the transaction is legitimate. This is completely normal and part of their compliance system, so users should always make sure their account details and verification documents are kept up to date to avoid delays. Finally, it's worth understanding that learning how to use the platform properly is just as important as creating the account itself. Many new users take time to explore features like market types, odds formats, and in-play options before making any decisions. Even if the account setup is complete, responsible use means taking things slowly, understanding how the system works, and making sure you are comfortable with every step. This approach helps users avoid mistakes and ensures a safer and more controlled experience overall.